Hello friends, this is Coach Veer again on my YouTube channel Coach Veer, and in this video we will discuss this question. But before that, a request to you all: if you're watching this video, don't forget to post which country you are from in my comments. Thank you friends. It is really a great pleasure to know that my videos are watched in which part of the world. So let's start this. It says Andy leaves school at the same time every day. Yes, the starting time is same. If he cycles at 20 kilometers per hour, he arrives home at 4:30 in the afternoon. If he cycle at 10 kilometers per hour, he arrives home at 5:15. Surely a little bit late because as speed is slow. At what speed in kilometers per hour must he cycle to arrive home at 5 o'clock in the afternoon? So a little bit faster than the 10 kilometers per hour, but how much, that is what we need to know. So there are three scenarios and we need to find the speed in the last scenario. Let's take up this. Suppose this is the school and this is the home for Andy, and like in the first, the speed is going to be like 20 kilometers per hour in the first scenario, and time, suppose 4:30 she is reaching, so let's take time taken by him is d and the distance covered is d. Now in the other scenario also, distance is going to be d because the distance is not changing in all the scenarios, and like in the second scenario, the speed is going to be 10 kilometers per hour, and the time little bit more, like 4:30 he was coming, and like 5:15, so time is being added with 45 minutes. So 45 minutes I should write at 45 by 60, which further can be written as t plus, like you can get it at 15, so 15:3 and 15:4 is 60. Like that I can just simplify it. And in the last scenario, we don't know the speed, which is just a question mark for us, and the time is like usual time when 20 kilometers per hour, it's t, but now it's 5, so like half hour more, so t plus half hour more, you can write it as 2 by 4 or like 1 by 2, so I'm just writing it as 1 by 2, so half hour more. In hours I'm putting everything. So these are three scenarios we need to find the speed. Now the basic starts here. Like speed formula, everybody knows that speed is equals to distance upon time, correct? So we need to utilize this formula for all the three scenarios. In the first scenario, speed is going to be 20 kilometers per hour and distance is just d, time is just t. And in the second scenario, speed is going to be 10 kilometers per hour, distance is going to be d, and time is now t plus 3 by 4. And in the third scenario, we don't know about the speed, but distance is same as d, and time is going to be t plus 1 by 2. Now here you need to find what is the important aspect you want to know. You want to know about the speed, correct? So S is your main agenda. But let's talk about how to solve it. So first take up these two scenarios, these two equations, and solve for the d and t. Like from the first, you can say d is equals to 20 times t. How? You just cross multiplied it. As 20 by 1 can be written, you can cross multiply it, correct? So from the second scenario, you will find that let me change the color of the pen. From the second scenario, you will see that 10 is to be multiplied with t plus 10 is to be multiplied with 3 by 4, and it is equals to d. So now what I can do here is I can cancel it a little, like I can make it 5 and I can make it 2, and in place of d I am going to put 20t. So what I am going to get is 10t plus 15 by 2 is equals to 20t. Now what you can do here is you can bring 20 this side in negative or 10 this side in negative. So better is to take 10 that side in negative. So 20t minus 10t is just 10t, and this is 15 by 2. Now divide both sides by 10, you are going to get 15 by 20. So cancel it with 5, 5 is a 15, 5, 4 is a 20. So time is 3 by 4 hours. Correct, t is just 3 by 4 hours. If t is 3 by 4 hour, you can find the d. D is 20t. So 20t. T is 3 by 4. 4 5s are 20. So d is actually 15 kilometers. So you know now about the D and you know about the T. Just substitute in the third scenario and you will find the speed. Let's do it. Speed is equals to 15, distance is 15, time is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. How to write 1 by 4 addition with it? You just need to multiply 2 up and down. So when you do that 2 up and down, like you will make it as 15 by 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4, and then you can simply add it. Correct. So S is equals to 15 by, then take a LCM of 4, like both the common denominator, and you can write it as 3 plus 2. Now as you know, this 4 is going to be in the numerator multiplication because it is the denominator's denominator, and this 5 is in the denominator, so you can cancel it out. 5 3 is 15. Now the speed which you are going to get for the last scenario is 12 kilometers per hour. Hope you got it. If any doubt, put it in the comment also. I'm ready to give explanations on all my this solution. Thank you for watching this, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video, friends. Till then, bye bye.